Hi guys, so I want to show you guys what we're going to do. So basically, go ahead and open up this survey form. It's on your Google Classroom, or just make sure you have access to it. What this is, it's basically the results from the survey. So it has all three questions. How old are you? How many hours do you spend on your phone a day? And how much money do you spend a week? And these are everyone's responses. So this particular person said they were 17, they spend 5 hours on their phone a day, and they spend $200 a week. And then it keeps going there. Again, these are real survey results from last year. And then some students interviewed their parents and family members, which is why you'll have some older ages here. Like, how old are you? 39. How many hours do you spend on your phone a day? 1. And how much money do you spend a week? 200. What you're going to do is notice on the bottom tabs how it breaks it up into each groups of questions, into groups of 2. So if I click on this tab, it'll have questions 1 and 2. How old are you? How many hours do you spend on your phone a day? This tab has questions 2 and 3. How many hours do you spend on your phone a day and how much money do you spend a week? And this tab has 1 and 3. How old are you and how much money do you spend a week? So what you're going to do is you're going to actually paste these tables onto Desmos. So go ahead and go on Desmos.com, get to this page, and you are going to need to sign in or create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and press sign in, and just sign in with your Google account. It's the easiest way. I'm using my OFY Google, and bam, I'm in. You need to make sure that your name is here and that you're signed in. Otherwise, your graphs will not save, and we're going to save these graphs. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over and 2 questions at a time. So I'm going to start with questions 1 and 2. I'm going to copy all of these numerical results, not the questions themselves, because Desmos cannot read this. Desmos will be like, what the heck do you mean here? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of click with my finger and then drag until I highlight all of these. Some of you guys might have trouble with, depending on the laptops you have. Please let me know if anything is funky and you can't copy. Then I'm just going to Control C for copy, Control C, or you can copy it this way. And I'm going to paste these onto Desmos. So notice I have all of these numbers. It starts with 17 and 5 and ends with 18 and 3. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and go over to Desmos, go on this line here, and I'm just going to paste it. I can actually Control V. So you're going to want to Control V and see how all of my data, I can press show more rows. This is all of it here in a nice table on Desmos. It started at 17 and 5 and ended with 18 and 3. Cool. So once I have that table up, I'm going to go ahead and click where it says Untitled Graph, and I'm just going to title it Questions 1 and 3. You could type questions if you want, whatever you want. Oops. Sorry, it wasn't questions 1 and 3, it was 1 and 2, right? Question 1 and 2. Let me double check. Yeah, this is 1 and 2. Questions 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then I'm going to save it. Cool. And then once it's saved, that's pretty much it. We're going to do more stuff with this next time. So if I wanted to exit this out, actually, yeah. And then I can go to my next one. Questions 2 and 3. I'm going to click, drag, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Cool. And then same thing, it posted some stuff there. And I have all of my rows here. And then I'm going to click up here and save it as question. And which one was this? 2 and 3? Yeah, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Save. And the reason we are saving these is because when we go back and log in later, we can click on the side and just go straight to the graph. So we can just go back and be like, oh, okay, cool, here's this, awesome, great, thanks, keep going. So basically, I want you to have questions 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 1 and 3 saved on your Desmos for next time. Okay? I don't think I'm going to make you guys necessarily copy and paste right away, so please just let me know if you're not able to save it, or if you're having any trouble. If you want to double check your stuff, let's say you log out sign out, and then I'm going to sign back in real quick. Actually, let's get rid of this. Sign in. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. If I go here, I should have those questions, and I do. See question 1 and 2. Cool. And then questions 2 and 3 here. And I do want you to get 1 and 3 as well, so you should definitely go get 1 and 3 here. Same thing, copy the table and then paste it. Please, please, please let me know if you're unable to save it or having any trouble with Desmos. Oops. Because we're going to need this to be ready to go for next lesson, okay? So this was kind of just to get you guys started, and then you guys are going to go from there. So this is questions 1 and 3. Please don't forget to change the name. Question 1 and 3, save. So then by the end, you should have 3 sets of 2, basically. I have 1 and 3, 2 and 3, and 1 and 2, and they're all their own graph there. And then so next time we're going to be able to just pull these up by going straight there. Okay, again, please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I think that is all. Bye.